Hello all, welcome to the video. I am Dr. M. Nithya, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about hypothesis testing and steps involved in it. The hypothesis meaning is to testing the process of using statistics to determine the probability of specific hypothesis is true. It is used to evaluate two mutually exclusive statements about the population. The process of hypothesis is using to consists of four main steps. Construct the hypothesis, set the significant level, that means alpha value, calculate the test of statistics and p-value, to finally conclude the hypothesis testing. The picture will explain the steps to be followed in the hypothesis testing in the population. First, we have to derive the data. In that, we have to state the hypothesis of particular variable. Then select the test of statistic used to calculate the variable values. The hypothesis having two sides. One is null hypothesis. It is denoted by the HO. And another one is alternative hypothesis. It is denoted as H1. The two hypotheses result may be true or false. Null hypothesis means a hypothesis that processes the observation or the result of pure chance, and there is no effect of relationship or difference between two or more groups. In alternative hypothesis, it is a process of sample observation or influenced by some non-random causes, and there is an effect of difference between two or more groups. It is claimed you are trying to prove that with experiment. Example of the hypothesis: if the sales discount are great way to increase the revenue by attracting more customers and encouraging them to buy the more items, knowing the right way of give the discount will be help to the company to increase the revenue. We are trying to see the discount has an effect of the quantity of the order and which discount has the highest effect. Let's state the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis: the average quantity of the product ordered in the same for order with and without a discount. Alternative hypothesis: the average quantity of the product ordered when the discount is given higher than the order without a discount. This is the two difference between the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Concept of hypothesis testing: set the significant level, that means to find out the alpha value of the hypothesis. The significant level is the probability that should determine the when reject null hypothesis. Often researchers choose a significant value of 0.01 at the significant level, 0.05 is another significant level, or 0.10, but any value between the 1 and 0 can be used. Setting the significant level equal to alpha value equal to 0.01 means that there is an 1% chance that you have accept the alternative hypothesis when your null hypothesis is actually there. For example, we will set the significant level of alpha equal to 0.05. In step 3, calculate the test of statistics and p-value. T-test: to compare the mean of two given samples. ANOVA test is used to compare the 3 or more sample with the single test. Chi-square value is used to compare the categorical variable. Pearson correlation compare the two continuous variable. There are more tools to analyze the statistics in the hypothesis. These are the main tools used to declare the hypothesis for the variables. Finally, we have to derive the conclusion for the hypothesis. If the hypothesis give the type 1 error, means a type 1 error occurs when we reject the null hypothesis is when it is true. The probability of committing the type 1 error is significant level of alpha. In that type 2 error, a type 2 error occurs when we fail to reject the null hypothesis, that is false. The probability committing a type 2 error is called beta and is often denoted by the alpha b beta value. The probability is not committing a type 2 error is called as power of test. Thank you for watching video.